Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. इस वीडियो में I'm gonna talk about my 1 year experience, 1 year journey in PwC India. Many people have dreams about entering PwC or any of the big four consulting firms, but do you exactly know how it feels like after working for an year uh, in the firm? So this video I'm gonna talk about every opportunity, experiences, negatives, challenges, and the growth opportunities I have got in last 1 year working with PwC India. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Let me start by telling you why I joined PwC and how I got into it. PwC is a consulting firm which is involved into one of the big four consulting firms in India. It is having a great reputation in consulting and auditing field. So my role was dynamic. I was basically involved in auditing, in which I audited many big companies which were having good reputation in the market, and I was also allotted some of the advisory projects as well. PwC is having great image in the market, so I was assured that I will be getting talented teams to work with, which will be helping me in handling the situations, handling the projects, handling my time better in terms of the management in between work life and personal life, and also a lot of exposures towards the industry leaders which are there in the industry in last 10, 15 or 20 years. One thing that surprised me that how I started learning so quick. It will happen with you also, because PwC will be putting you in the projects from the start, so you will be getting the exact insights of the projects and how you have to pursue in that project and how you have to work. So I still remember my first day when I entered. It was all professional, it was all strange for me. Everyone was unknown for me, but then I got the team which helped me in growing, in getting the learnings in the best way possible. You will be getting the learnings from first day and get that thing of handling the situations better. Every challenge, let it be late night workings, let it be tight deadlines, let it be um, pressurized situations, made me feel like that I'm doing better. Every time I faced that challenge, it was like I'm growing, I'm making the best of it. Of course, working with PwC in last 1 year without the challenge, it wasn't the thing. There were challenges, there were so many challenges I faced. As everybody know that amongst the big four there is much competition, so the environment in the firm is very paced up, so you have to cope up with that pace so that you are there in the firm and growing every day possible. Sometimes you have to manage multiple projects all together, sometimes you have to feel that you are getting pressurized, sometimes you have to make yourself best out of it so that you can complete the projects on time. So this is something which you will face as a challenge, but this can help you as an opportunity also to grow, make the best out of it. Each challenge I faced helped me in handling the situation better and managing my time and testing the problem solving skills I'm having. In between all these challenges, the best part of PwC last 1 year journey was that I was surrounded with best mentors, either it be on associate level or it be on the higher manager levels as well. I joined PwC as a specialist in technology risk assurance services, so which provides assurance services to the clients by auditing their controls. These mentors helped me in growing by making me comfortable to ask questions, to raise the doubts, clear my doubts, whichever I was having with them, and they taught me everything from the start, uh, not making me feel like dumb that you don't know anything, you don't know this, you don't know this. They helped me in growing, they helped me in learning the auditing, they helped me learning the procedures which I have to follow for growing, for learning. There is a culture of collaboration in PwC in which it feels like that PwC is really appreciating your growth. My mentors were very instrumental when it comes to helping me in my career growth. Sometimes this situation will also be coming that did I make the right decision, did I made the right career path or chosen the right firm for that particular career. But that situation, that thinking will help you in growing and making the best out of the opportunity which you will be getting in the firm when you start working or you start learning. When I look back from the first day till today, it has been a wonderful experience getting the opportunities to meet new people in new clients every month possible, and getting the big clients which you have heard um, in the market, which are having greater reputation in the market. And when you are auditing those firms, when you are meeting the people, how the firm is running, how the uh, procedures, how the process goes on in those firms, when you get to know those things, you will feel excited about it, and auditing those firms will be a boon for you, so that you can grow up with the knowledge that you will be getting. PwC taught me discipline, they taught me resilience, and many things about the corporate culture and corporate world which I was unknown when I entered from the college placements only. This job was my first job, so I entered and I was unknown to everything. So they taught me the culture which corporates are having and how to handle those culture, because you must have heard that some of the people don't know how to handle the corporate culture, and they do something which is not necessary, or which is not feasible to do when you start working. It is not just about the job you are doing, it is about building a career path. And when it comes to PwC, for me, it has been a good start for a career, and looking forward to have better opportunities and many more growth opportunities in the firm. If I summarize my 1 year experience in PwC, it has been great, like learning, growing, and meeting new people, meeting new clients, having calls with them, spreadsheets, and everything. Like, it has been a great experience. It made me best in the Excel. I was working before PwC as a freelancer also, in which I used Microsoft Excel. But in PwC, when you start auditing, when you start documenting the controls, when you start um, collecting the evidences, when you start checking the evidences, when you start processing the evidences, you will get to know that you are getting better day by day in Microsoft Excel, and that will help you in your career path. And also, like, if you go somewhere else, or you go for further studies as well, it will be helping you. So with this, I'll be closing the video, and thank you for hearing me out with my first year journey in PwC India as an auditor in the technology risk assurance services domain. Thank you for hearing my journey in Big Four. So, if you want to know anything specifically about Big Four companies, then you can drop a comment below. I would love to share more insights about the company, about the firm, and how you can cope up the challenges and cope up with the culture that PwC or any other Big Four companies are having. So, with this, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and